Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at Astrophytum asteria's Kiko mussel. Quite possibly one of the most incredible asterias around. They're characterized by this marvelous growth and bumps that appear and intensifies with age. As with many of the Kiko forms of asterias, pupping can be a problem. As you can see here, there are a few forming in the center of the plant. This, however, generally settles down over time and doesn't become quite so problematic. They are fairly slow growing, and the character, as I mentioned, takes time to come through. This particular plant is grafted. It's on a short stock, but equally they can be grown on their own roots. This is a different variety, but still follows that lovely, almost lizard-like skin. And this guy here has been only degrafted for a small amount of time, so he's got quite a lot of growing to do and puffing back up to his original size. But my preference for asterias is to grow them grafted, as I find it less stressful, and if you're in a cold climate it is a lot easier. This is another variety here. So we've looked at three different varieties of Kiko mussel in this video. This is my largest, and this is grafted onto Harrisia, and I will not degraft this plant. The only thing that I will do is reduce the stock height. In terms of light, you want soft to moderate light. If growing on their own roots, low to moderate water. But if grafted, then all you need to do is manipulate the amount of fertilizer and water to balance, obtaining good growth without overdoing it, which can cause the pups to become out of control. Right everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.